Certified, the most accurate in Central Kentucky.
If you were in Lexington 15 years ago today, you will never forget this. The worst ice storm in this city's recorded history. It hit on this date in 2003, continued into the next day. It looked like a bomb went off in Lexington. Now, 52 counties were hit by this storm, but Fayette County was by far the hardest hit. 2 inches of ice covered everything, nearly 100,000 people without power, some of them for up to 2 weeks, and there was more than $60 million in damage. And then, of course, we had another bad one in 2009, but it wasn't as bad here as it was then. We had to evacuate this studio. Ice fell from the tower, which is right next to our station. There were pieces of ice as big as car hoods falling through the ceiling to the floor. So we evacuated, had to do our news out of the local cable TV studios on Palumbo Drive.
Yeah, a really dangerous situation, especially with the fact that many folks maybe didn't get power back for another 2 weeks. And thankfully today, though, much quieter. I mean, what a difference it makes
yes.
when you have temperatures in the 70s. Today feeling more like a spring day. In fact, it was near record highs. Out across the area right now, we're not seeing much rain. We've had plenty of clouds today, but at times a few breaks of sunshine peeking through. But you can see a little bit more rain north of I-64. This is moving to the east. Still expecting to see spotty showers moving to the east as the evening progresses. But again, most of this right now up toward areas like Scott County, Franklin County, and Harrison County. You're seeing some of this. Nicholas County over toward Fleming County, even Bath County pick up on a couple of showers. To the south, you're not seeing as much rain right now. Of course, you've had, again, some breaks in the cloud cover of sunshine. Fort Bank sky view here from the AIC roofing camera looking off toward Hamburg. At times, these cameras have been shaking back and forth quite a bit just because of the gusty winds that at times have been up around 35 to even 40 miles per hour. Sustained winds right now anywhere from about 5 to even 20 miles per hour. And these winds have been out of the south. The reason why we've been so warm today with current temperatures in the lower 70s for many locations. In fact, at the Lexington Bluegrass Airport, 72 the high temperature. That's our current temperature. The record 76 degrees set back in 1945. So we're getting close to reaching that record high after a low temperature this morning of 60 degrees. We only picked up about 0.05 of an inch of rain, but so far for the month, just under 3.5 inches. We're more than 1.5 inches above average so far for rainfall for the month of February. You can see the showers a little further to our north up into Indiana and Ohio. We do expect more rain to develop as we continue overnight into tomorrow morning with a cold front moving through. So from midnight tonight through about 12 noon Friday, that's the best time frame for widespread rain to develop. So here we start things off at midnight. You can see rain off toward our northwest, moving in across the area by daybreak Friday. And for the Friday morning commute, temperatures will start off in the lower 50s tomorrow morning, but after that cold front moves through, temperatures will cool through the afternoon. Rain will taper off from northwest to southeast as we go into your Friday afternoon as well. So by later in the afternoon, we'll see our temperatures right around 42 degrees. So again, temperatures cool through the day, and we'll see some clearing by late in the afternoon and into the evening hours. Relatively quiet as we go overnight Friday into Saturday. We actually may wake up to some breaks of sunshine, but mostly cloudy here Saturday morning with more rain developing as we get especially into your afternoon hours of Saturday. So it's not a washout all day long, but especially by the afternoon, highs will be around 45 degrees. A little bit cooler as we get later into Friday and into the start of our weekend. So as we head into next week, we've got a lot more rain to talk about, 2 to 4 inches widespread across the viewing area. That could lead to more flooding problems. For tonight, 52 degrees, mild tonight, gusty winds continue, spotty rain this evening, becomes more widespread overnight into Friday morning, rainy and windy, lower 50s early in the morning, lower 40s through the afternoon. You can see the cooler temperatures to start off the weekend. Sunday, though, a nice day, more sunshine with a high of 54. We'll have more news coming up next.